we are trading Boom 500 index right now, guys, with our best money heist spike detector. Okay, so let's wait and see. As you can see here, can you see? We have our first signal. We don't do anything, we wait. Now we have our second signal. So without any waste of time, I'm buying. As you can see, I'm buying. So let's wait and see. So when you see the negative balance, you don't have to panic. We don't panic this side. We know that we are about to make money. So let's wait and see. What is this? What is this, guys? This is how we make money.